Hi, it's Steve from Thor Motor Coach, and this ray of black sunshine behind me, oh, beautiful. The all-new Inception 34 XG. This has the stealth package, and we have all the blackout options that make this incredibly cool. This will be the coolest Super C at the RV resort. We're talking blacked out grille, blacked out bumper, blacked out headlight bezels, blacked out wheels, 22.5-inch tires on here, blacked out mirrors, absolutely gorgeous motorhome, blacked out logos. So let's walk around and talk about what makes this Super C such an incredible drive. First, we'll start outside. Gonna open some of the bays for you. Talk about storage in here. Nice little storage bay back here. You do have a quick connect exterior propane connection. Hook up a grill. Hook up a griddle when you're at camp. In here, your 8,000 watt diesel generator runs right off your tank. We'll show you how to set the auto gen start on that. Nice storage bay in here. You have a little pass-through in there. TV, right? So you're outside, exterior TV. You can see the sun's hitting that right now. That's not real conducive for watching your favorite shows, right? So power patio awning, you can put that out. It'll take that shade right over your campsite, and now you are outside and you are enjoying your time away at the RV resort. Right here is your fresh water tank. All the capacities right for you at the bottom of your screen. Another large storage bay here. These are going to be your side view cameras, which we are going to show you when we walk inside. So I'm going to walk in and climb up into the passenger seat here. Scooch on over to the driver's seat, and here we are inside the cockpit. Now this is an S2 RV chassis from Freightliner. All the engine specs for you right at the bottom of the screen, but this is a great driving machine. Very maneuverable, 55-degree wheel cut. You have air ride suspension, everything is laid out for you. You dial in the air ride seats first. This is comfort. This is the way to travel. All your gauges and buttons are here, your transmission, power windows, you have remote mirrors, all the outlets, your radio, everything you need, Sirius XM satellite radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, one-touch leveling jacks, cup holders. Great place to spend some time when you are on the road. When you are at the campsite, let's take a look around the interior, because this is really an amazing setup. We'll start up here with this massive overhead bunk, 800-pound capacity. I want to show you how much room you have up here. You have this power sky shade you control with Rapid Camp Plus. You have cup holders and storage in the back. This stores in the closets, which we will show you when we get into the bedroom. Holy smokes, massive storage in here, but this is a massive motorhome, right? So I'm just gonna climb up here, sit up here, and show you I can sit up here and be absolutely comfortable. A lot of room up here. Now, a lot of people actually use this area for storage if they don't need the sleeping. You are going to have seat belts for 8 in here, sleeping for 4 or 5, depending if you go with the theater seats or if you option in the sofa. Climbing on down, a lot of headroom again. In these shoes, I stand over 6'1", so you can see the amount of headroom in here. Plenty of room to move, to live, or to just sit back and enjoy. These, I'm gonna move this out of the way. This will just fold up and store in the closet. Watch this. Oh yeah, power theater seats. And to make it even better, there's a USB-A plug right in here, so you can take and charge your device, sit it here. There's a smart TV right over the dinette, and what's great about having a smart TV is on the remote, what do you want to watch? Netflix, Prime Video, Peacock, DirecTV. You just press a button, it pulls it up on the TV. And you also have the WineGuard Connect 2.0 4G hotspot and Wi-Fi extender. So that means no matter where you are, you can create your own 4G hotspot on the road, and you can connect your smart TVs, you can connect your laptops, whatever it is you need to connect. You can even Use Rapid Camp Plus from your phone once you connect that. And we'll talk about that when we get back there. But you have 2 seat belts into the theater seats. Over to the dinette, we have 4 seat belts here, 2 child safety tethers, wireless charging built back in right back here behind our fruit basket. That also has USB-A and USB-C charging ports. Cup holders here. This will make into a sleeping area. The interior decor you see in here, by the way, this is called Outlander with the Asheville cabinetry. The all-new 34XG Inception. It is a great new floor plan. Moving back into our kitchen. Solid surface countertops. Great setup in here. What I really like about this drying rack is you can wash your dishes here, set them up here to dry, and then into these cabinets. A lot of storage up here, a nice amount of counter space, solid surface countertops, nice backsplash. You have a convection microwave right up here for your cooktop, electric induction, 2 burners right here, plenty of storage down below for pots and pans and silverware, and whatever it is you need. We have a residential fridge, side by side, massive storage in here. All your controls are right here. And that is going to take us right up over here to Rapid Camp Plus. So you can use the main screen here. You can use one of the remotes. We'll show you right over here, Tom, one of the remotes right over here on the wall. There are plenty of those around. Those pop off. So many different ways to control your coach from here. Control your lights, check your tank levels, turn on your water pump, check your house and your chassis batteries. One touch, check on that 100 watts of solar charging. Set the auto gen start, again an 8,000 watt diesel generator on here. All your lights, climate, fans, vents, and then from here is where you will take and control and connect to the app. It is called Vega Touch Eclipse, and you will be able to using this to connect to your Inception no matter where you are in the US, Canada, or in Mexico. Controls for your 1800 watt inverter are right down below into this bathroom midship. A lot of counter space in here. You have a lot of storage, very large bathroom sink, porcelain foot flush toilet. We have a glass door over there for the shower. Shower head is on a removable wand, so a nice large midship bath in here. Nice pantry. So you can take, this will hold your bags of coffee and condiments and favorite late night snacks, because you need the late night snacks when you are on a trip. How about a washer dryer? Here you go, hidden right back in here, stackable washer and dryer, so laundry no matter where you are. Because sometimes when you get to laundromats, let's face it, you open the machine and you're like, ew, I'm not putting my clothes in there. Out in the Inception, you do it right there. So into the bedroom, this is a tilt-a-view king-size bed. You can see the bed is down now, but just a touch of a button and up it goes, and it's going to create a lot of room back here. All your pillows will roll down, and you can just fix those later, but your bed goes up, and now you have a lot of room back here. 4 storage cabinets up above, nice recessed back in here for your nightstands. So a lot of space over here, and then into the closets, a ton of space. A lot of times, you know, ladies, you like to bring maybe a long dress, or if you're gone for winter, you have some of those longer coats. You can fit those in here, not worry about them hitting bottom. You can store taller items in here. A great closet there. You have another closet right back here. That is going to be the air chuck, because this is a diesel. You're going to have air connection under the hood. The ladder stores right back in here. You have a TV back here, more storage behind the TV. So a lot of storage in here. This is a great motorhome. And the last thing I want to show you is right out here, because these are 2 big questions people always want to know, especially on a Super C of this size. Okay, you're going to have a true 15,000 pound hitch on this, so that means you can tow whatever you want. Your occupant and cargo carrying capacity, you ready? 9,409 pounds, and in case I haven't mentioned it, this all comes in at 35 feet 6 inches in length. This is the all-new Inception. It's the 34XG, an absolutely beautiful motorhome. It's a great way to travel when you are ready to build your own. Visit thormotorcoach.com.